Did you know that some taxes hit your wallet directly while others sneak in when you shop? Hey there, welcome back. Whether we realize it or not, taxes affect everyone living in any country. We have already uploaded a detailed video on tax to our channel. So today in this video, let's break down the topic more specifically, exploring the two variants of the tax. That is, the difference between direct and indirect taxes. It's important to understand that taxes are the primary way governments collect revenue to fund public services. There are two major types of taxes, direct and indirect taxes. They may sound complicated, but once I explain how they work and who bears the tax burden, it will all make sense to you. Let's begin with direct taxes. As the name suggests, these are taxes that are paid directly to the government by individuals or companies. You earn money or you own a property and the government cuts a particular charge for it, which is called a direct tax. A common example you might be familiar with is income tax. If you have a job, you've probably seen deductions on your paycheck for this. Now, on to its characteristics. Direct taxes are generally progressive, which means they increase as your income increases. So the more you earn, the higher your tax rate is. It is a way of ensuring that those who can afford to contribute more do so. But this also makes them a bit controversial because high earners often feel like they're shouldering more of the load. But think of it this way, it's meant to balance economic inequalities by redistributing wealth. Another thing is that there is no middleman here. You will be paying your taxes directly to the government. This makes you stay protected from scams and unnecessary interventions. Here comes another feature. You cannot pass that burden on to someone else. It's yours to carry. You are the earner and you are the one to pay the tax. Nobody else can pay your tax on behalf of you. On the other side, we have indirect taxes. You encounter these every day, but you might not even realize it. Whenever you buy something like a new phone or even groceries, you're paying an indirect tax. One thing about indirect taxes is that they're usually regressive. That means everyone pays the same tax rate regardless of their income. So whether you're a billionaire or earning minimum wage, the tax on your purchase remains the same. Indirect taxes are not directly paid to the government. As I've mentioned before, the tax is imposed on the products we buy. So we will be paying it to the shop owner and they will be transferring them to the government through their taxes. The burden of indirect taxes can be shifted ultimately. It is the final consumer who pays the bill. Hope you're clear with the key differences. Now let's have a quick recap. Direct taxes are paid directly to the government by individuals or entities like companies. They are progressive and will hit your income. You cannot transfer the burden on anybody. Indirect taxes, on the other hand, are collected by businesses from consumers, so the burden is transferred to the final customer. They are regressive and will hit your spending. These may sound tough, but together they can shape our public services. If you are into commerce and want to crack commerce professional qualifications like CA, ACCA, CMA India, CS and CMA USA from the best institute, join the Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya, the go-to commerce institute in India with consistent rank holders. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such insightful videos on commerce.